Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide your Instagram following and followers list step by step. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your mobile phone. And here you have to tap on the profile picture. Now tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. From here, you have to scroll down until you see the option that is account privacy. Now, if you want to hide your followers or following list from everyone, so you have to check in the option of private account, switch to private, and then no one will be able to see your followers and following list. That's it all about this video. You have successfully controlled who can see your Instagram followers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.